Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the all-new Echo LM-2119SP self-propelled gas-powered mower. Yes, I said gas. Seems like the world's gone battery, and there's a lot of good applications for battery, but there's still a great market for gas depending on your needs and applications. So what Echo did is took a lot of the features people liked in all the other brands and really did a great job incorporating it all into one mower. So let me start with, starting up front. Got a nice little grab handle if you do need to lift it in and out of a vehicle or storage area. Powered by a 190cc Briggs & Stratton overhead valve engine. So it's a time-proven engine. It's a size chute, so this comes standard as a 3-in-1, which means it's bag, mulch, or side discharge. So most people don't side discharge, but if you do have that application, that's a standard chute. It's not an optional accessory. And it does pop off easily, removes, plate drops down, spring-loaded for mulching. You do have a mulch plug in the back, so when you're mulching, you can remove the bag, have the door off. Easy lifts up, pull your plug out, and put your bag on if you want to go to bagging. So it's very quick and easy, and you notice the bag's got a nice lift handle, nice big opening, so if you get the grass packed in there, it's going to still fall out very easily. Nice one lever, spring assisted, height of cut. They got marks on the side to tell you where you're at as far as your height. Very easy, and you don't have to go around each wheel. He also knows large rear tires, so if you have a little rougher terrain, that will help roll through that rougher terrain with those large rear tires. As we come to the back of the machine, let me point out one other thing. The handles to fold just flips and lifts. So it's very easy. You don't have to loosen any wing nuts. Quick and easy, and it's marked, so if you forget where they are, it's easy to see. So the starting is the typical zone start. You pull the bail, rope in the back to start. And they have this great feature called Speed Adapt. So this is designed where as you're walking, you put more pressure on the handles, which will propel the machine faster. So it's very intuitive. You just walk and it'll propel itself faster. So it's an excellent feature, very easy to use. It does come with a wash port standard. So you just hook up your garden hose here to blow the water around to clean the underside of your deck. And an excellent cutting system. So this uses a 2-blade. So you notice the top has a very high lift to create good vacuum, whether you're mulching or bagging, to get that grass to stand up for a nice cut. And you also see these serrated edges. So if you do get into leaves, that'll help kind of chop up the leaves as it runs the cutting chamber. And then it has, with the second blade, that's more of a flatter blade. So that really enhances your mulching performance. So you're going to cut the grass kind of twice on the way up, swirls around and chops it again, kind of creates a swirling effect to chop it up finer. It does, from what we've seen so far, it's early on, but it seems to do a great job of mulching clippings. Well, we got a flipped up underside, nice heavy steel deck to give you years of excellent service. It's also a good value, great price point. With the Echo consumer products, this is also backed by a limited 5-year warranty, so really one of the best warranties in the industry. So it's a great option to look at. Stop by, check it out. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.